I love that there's so many different flower dyes to choose from to pick for our projects, and I have a lot of them. Let's compare the Flower Field dye from Sizzix with the Wildflower dye set. The Flower Field dye is a single dye. It doesn't have a blade on the bottom, so you can control how big or how small that bottom of that dye is when you die cut it. The Wildflower dye set has 7 different dyes in the set, and it has a larger scale, so you can use one flower or many different flowers from the set. So both of these dyes are ones that you can create like a field of flowers. It would be a completely different scale though. To use the Flower Field dye, I've got my cardstock here that I've put the dye on and put it through my Big Shot machine. Now, because the cardstock piece that I chose is so large, I wasn't able to cut through all the way. So I'm going to take some of this excess off, and then I'm going to match it up with the dye again and run it through my machine, but I'm going to angle it a little bit different. To match it in the dye again, it just kind of pops in and it slides into the grooves where I already die cut. So it's very easy to match it back up. And I'm going to turn it a quarter turn and then put it through my machine again, and it will this time go through all of those pieces. So all of those excess little bits will come out a lot easier than it did the first time. Sometimes I'll use a little die pick to help poke them out just because some of the areas are quite small, but it is really easy to use. I love the silhouette that this makes and the fact that I can pick and choose my dyes depending on the look I'm going for.